Ever tried a vegetarian shawarma before? Shawarma, a mouth-watering recipe celebrated in numerous cultures, has found a delicious, healthy alternative in its vegetarian version. Void of any meat, this treat is packed with plant-based goodness, promising a burst of flavors in every bite. This video is your step-by-step guide to creating this delectable dish in your own kitchen. So whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner in the culinary world, this recipe is for everyone. Are you ready to learn how to make a scrumptious vegetarian shawarma? Let's dive in. First things first, gather all the ingredients we need. For our vegetarian shawarma, we'll need 2 cups of minced soy, 1 medium-sized onion, minced, and 3 cloves of garlic, crushed. The spice mix includes 2 teaspoons of shawarma spices, 1 teaspoon each of cumin, dried coriander, and paprika. Add a dash of black pepper, about half a teaspoon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon for that hint of warmth. We'll also need 2 tablespoons each of soy sauce, lemon juice, and olive oil to bring everything together. And of course, your favorite vegetables for the stuffing, like lettuce, tomatoes, onions, green peppers, and parsley. With all these ingredients in place, we are set to start cooking. Now let's get down to preparing the filling for our shawarma. This is where the magic really happens. It starts with 2 cups of minced soy. You'll want to soak this in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. This process softens the soy, making it tender and ready for the next steps. After soaking, drain the water and give the soy a good squeeze to remove any excess moisture. Next, we'll add some flavor. Take a medium-sized onion, finely chopped, and 3 cloves of garlic, crushed. Mix these in with the soy. Now it's time for the spices. We're talking about 2 teaspoons of shawarma spices, and a teaspoon each of cumin, dried coriander, paprika, plus a half teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix these in well, ensuring the soy is completely coated. Now to bring everything together, add in 2 tablespoons each of soy sauce, lemon juice, and olive oil. Mix until well combined. Once your mixture is ready, cover and leave in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. This allows the flavors to meld together, giving your shawarma that authentic taste. When you're ready to cook your shawarma filling, heat up a large pan over medium heat. Add your shawarma mix, stirring regularly until it turns golden brown. This should take about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the filling is golden brown and crispy, it's time to assemble our shawarma. The moment of truth has arrived. Let's assemble our shawarma. Start with a piece of flatbread. You can use Lebanese bread, or for a twist, why not try a tortilla? Now it's time to layer in the flavor. Spread a generous helping of our perfectly seasoned, aromatic soy filling. Don't be shy, pile it on. Next, add your choice of fresh veggies. Crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, tangy onions, vibrant green peppers, and a sprinkle of parsley all contribute to the rainbow of flavors in this dish. But we're not done yet. A good shawarma is all about the roll. Tightly wrap the bread around the filling, ensuring a perfect bite every time. Slice it into bite-sized pieces if you like, and serve it hot. If you want to go all out, serve it with your favorite sauce, maybe a tangy garlic sauce or a spicy chili sauce. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy vegetarian shawarma. Voila! That's how you make a tasty vegetarian shawarma. Let's quickly recap the key steps. First, we soaked our minced soy in hot water to soften it up. Then, we mixed it with finely chopped onions and crushed garlic, before adding our aromatic blend of shawarma spices, cumin, dried coriander, paprika, black pepper, and a hint of cinnamon. To bring it all together, we stirred in soy sauce, lemon juice, and olive oil, then allowed the mixture to marinate in the fridge. After that, we cooked our shawarma filling until it was golden and crispy. Finally, we assembled our shawarma with our preferred veggies on toasted Lebanese bread or tortilla wraps, rolled it up tightly, and served it hot. Remember, you can always adjust the spices and fillings according to your taste, and even use regular bread if you prefer. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Enjoy your vegetarian shawarma.